I believe that you should be aware certain something. How this is. Assuming I look at the precious stone at the red branch of the sluggish preventer at my window. Assuming I contact close to the fire, the vacuum debris, or on the other hand, the badly creased body of the log. Everything conveys me to you as how all that exists. Fragrances, light, metals, little boats that sail toward those isles of yours that hang tight for me. Indeed, presently, assuming gradually, you quite adoring me, I will quite cherishing you by little. If unexpectedly fail to remember me, try not to search for me, for I will as of now have failed to remember you. Assuming that you think it long and frantic, the breeze of standards that goes through my life. What's more, you choose to leave me at the shore of the heart where I have roots. Recall that on that day at that hour, I will lift my arms. What's more, my underlying foundation will set off to look for another land. Be that as it may, if every hour, you feel that you are bound for me with unyielding, please send less. If every day a blossom scared to your lips to look for me. Okay, my adoration, my own, in my everything, in me, everything that quiet is rehearsed. In me, nothing is dozed or neglected. My adoration benefits from your affection, darling. Furthermore, as long as you live, it will be in your arms without leaving mine. Always remember me, since supposing that I figured you would. I would never leave. I don't care either way. If you fail to remember me. Having taken in my example, I never had an impact on anybody. At the point when a client enters my store, fail to remember me. He is above all else. and never revisit means to discard beyond all doubt, purchased insight. They would become old. They would fail to remember me. Guarantee you will not fail to remember me of all time. Recall me when I am disappeared, gone far away into the quiet land. At the point when you can no more hold me by the hand, nor I half go, yet turning stay. Recollect me when not anymore step. You tell me of our future that you arranged. Just recall me. You comprehend. It will be late to guide then. At that point, all implore, however, on the off chance that you out to fail to remember me for some time, and a while later collect. Don't lament for assuming that the haziness and defilement leave a remnant of the contemplation that once I would do well to by a long short you. Out to neglect and grin, then that you out keep in mind and be miserable. Indeed, presently assume gradually, you quite cherishing me, I will quite adoring you. By little, if unexpectedly you fail to remember me, don't search for me. For I will as of now have failed to remember you. On the off chance that you think it long and distort the breeze of standard that goes through my life, and you choose to leave me at the shore of the earth where I have roots. Recall that in that day at that hall. I will lift my arms and my foundation will embark to look for other land. I am the man of the 100 years. Nobody will at any point fail to remember me. Thanks for watching.